Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we are continuing our video series designed to inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about boyfriends and girlfriends and the interplay between them in custody. A lot of times people will want to know, if I'm in a custody battle, does that mean that I cannot have a girlfriend? I cannot have a boyfriend? I cannot socialize in that way? What does it truly mean? Well, you got to understand one thing. There's no statute that says you can't have a boyfriend, you can't have a girlfriend. The rules don't say that. But all the statutes are focused on the well-being of the children. So you've got to be very careful if parents are getting involved in new relationships that it doesn't somehow lead to an abuse or neglect of the child. Because if it does, that's how all of a sudden you start losing your rights. Just the presence of a significant other with whom you socialize is not going to affect your custody. But remember one thing. The court is going to look at the overall picture and what's in the best interest of the parties. If the court, for example, sees that you're socializing, in and of itself, that might not be a bad thing. But if you're, the new boyfriend's a drug addict and alcoholic, the court might take issue with that. If the new significant other is a felon who consorts with known felons in the presence of the children, the court will have issue with that. So you're going to have some issues that come up. I suspect just like you want to socialize, so does your ex. So therefore, it might be appropriate for the two of you to sit down. Assuming the relationship supports it, you should sit down in a productive way and say, look, I'm going to start dating, you're going to start dating. What's the best way we can do this without getting the kids involved? Now, some suggestions might be you guys might agree on parameters. Like, for example, no involvement of the children. Or not even introducing the children to these significant others until you've been with them for X amount of time. Boyfriends, girlfriends that come and go. You date people, don't date people, start, stop, whatever. Maybe you should make a rule that until you're, seriously dating for 2 or 3 months, until it's exclusive. Maybe then and only then should there be involvement with the kids. Or on the flip side, maybe it should only be there's a fiancé involved. Maybe that should be it. I mean, what's the message you want to send? Bad enough the kids thought they had a home and now mom and dad split up. Do we really want to show them that there's a revolving door of people with whom we socialize, that relationships come and go and come and go? Before you know it, they're going to think that their relationship with you can come and go and come and go. And you don't want to have that. So when you look at this, you have to keep in mind always not what feels good for you, not what's convenient, or you feel pressured because you should be dating. That's all good for you. But you got to remember, from a standpoint of what's in the best interest of the children, you have to figure out how you're going to do this. Obviously, if your relationship supports it, it's appropriate to have a sit down. Have a sit down with your ex and say, these are the parameters that I think we should follow. What do you think? How can we tweak these so we can both have a successful social life and at the same time do what's in the best interest of our kids? If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.